It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the heads-up display button and information tab, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, black leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls and voice commands. Next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider buttons, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch on the bottom of the screen. Next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. We're able to change our camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control. This button here is for the power retractable running boards, the trailer brake, some USB ports, and power plugins. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to start the vehicle. The wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, chrome tow hooks down below, LED headlamps, fog lights, 22-inch Denali wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the integrated turn signal indicator. Rear tinted windows, power retractable running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window slider, a tonneau cover, remote start, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Dual exhaust and GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. Going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. This truck also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate step. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop the step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, LED lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, the rear fans, heated rear seats, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage found behind either of the rear seats, as well as under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.